System UI isn't responding. If your Android phone keeps freezing, showing lag, displaying a blank screen, or repeatedly asking whether you want to wait or close an app, don't rush into a factory reset. In many cases, the problem can be fixed with a few safe troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll show you how to work through the most common causes of system UI errors without wiping your phone. Let's start with the easiest fix. The first step is to force restart your device. Sometimes Android gets stuck because of a temporary system glitch. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds, or use the restart button combination required by your phone brand. The exact method may vary depending on whether you're using Samsung, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, OnePlus, or another Android device. Once the phone restarts, use it normally for a few minutes and see if the problem returns. If the issue continues, move to the next step. Check your available storage. Many Android users don't realize that very low storage space can cause serious slowdowns and stability issues. Open Settings and then Storage. Look at how much free space is available. If storage is nearly full, remove safe clutter, such as old downloads, screenshots, duplicate videos, or files you no longer need. Avoid deleting unknown system folders or important app data. After freeing some space, restart the phone and check whether performance improves. Next, let's make sure your software is fully updated. Open Settings, then System, then Software Update. Check for available Android updates and install them if necessary. Manufacturers regularly release fixes for bugs, stability issues, and system crashes. After updating Android itself, open the Google Play Store and update your installed apps as well. Outdated apps can sometimes conflict with newer Android versions and trigger system UI problems. Now let's check something that often gets overlooked: the Launcher app. Your launcher controls the home screen, app drawer, widgets, and navigation experience. If the launcher cache becomes corrupted, Android may freeze or display system UI errors. Open Settings, then Apps. Find your launcher app. Tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your personal data. Avoid using Clear Data unless you understand that it may reset launcher settings and layouts. If the issue still isn't fixed, it's time to use one of Android's most useful troubleshooting tools: Safe Mode. Safe Mode temporarily disables third-party apps and lets Android run using only essential system software. To enter Safe Mode, press and hold the power button. Then press and hold Power Off until the Safe Mode option appears. Tap OK and allow the phone to restart. Once Safe Mode is active, use your phone for a while. Open apps, navigate through menus, and see whether the freezing or system UI errors continue. If everything works normally in Safe Mode, there's a strong chance that a third-party app is causing the problem. Now think back to when the issue started. Did it begin after installing a launcher, a phone cleaner, a battery saver, an accessibility tool, a floating overlay app? These types of apps are common causes of Android stability problems. Go to Settings, then Apps, and uninstall recently installed apps one at a time. Restart the phone normally and test after each removal. This process can help identify exactly which app is causing the issue. Now let's talk about the last resort before a factory reset. If you've restarted the phone, freed storage, installed updates, cleared cache, tested Safe Mode, and removed suspicious apps, but the problem still remains, it's time to prepare for more advanced troubleshooting. Before considering a reset, back up your important data. Save your photos, contacts, documents, videos, and anything else you can't afford to lose. Only after you've completed those backups should you think about resetting the device. And remember, a factory reset should be the last option, not the first one. Let's quickly recap. First, force restart the phone. Second, check available storage. Third, update Android and your apps. Fourth, clear launcher cache. Fifth, test the device in safe mode. Sixth, remove recently installed or suspicious apps. And finally, back up your data before considering a factory reset. Most system UI errors are caused by software issues, storage problems, or app conflicts. Working through these steps carefully can often solve the problem without losing your data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more practical Android troubleshooting tips and easy tech guides.